Alright guys, hello, today's going to be day 69 of me coding every single day until I become a software engineer. I'm sorry for not posting yesterday. I got back pretty late after studying in the library with my friend. Well, I should have posted a video honestly because I was a waste of time. I was on Twitter and talked to my family, but I was mainly on Twitter, so whatever. Such is, I've missed tons of days at this point, but trying my best not to miss 2 days in a row. So the grind continues. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the likes and comments. See a couple people join the Discord as well. Appreciate it. I don't really do this for the views, but it is always nice to obviously talk to other people that are in a similar position, or even get advice from other people. Just make us all better, in my opinion. Yeah, now we're on webhooks. We're almost done with course number 18. It's been a pretty hard one, but I definitely felt I've learned a lot of it, and I've written quite a bit of code, to be honest with you. But yeah, preferably I finish all of this before the end of December, because that is when finals are going to be, and I do not want to be trying to do this and finals at the same time. It's not going to happen. So we're trying. Webhooks sound like a scary advanced topic, but they're quite simple. Webhook is just an event that's sent to your server by an external service when something happens. For example, here at boot.dev, we use Stripe, a third-party payment processor. When a student makes a payment, Stripe sends a webhook to boot dev servers. We unlock student's membership. Student makes payment to Stripe. Stripe processes payment. If the payment is successful, Stripe sends an HTTP post request to this link. It's not really okay. I'd say the only real difference is that the system making a request is an automated system, not a human loading the web page. As such, webhook handlers must be idempotent, because the system on the other hand may request retry multiple times. Okay. Not sure if I've ever gone over this in a class before. I probably don't remember, to be honest with you, but this does not seem that complicated. Idempotent, fancy word, means the same result no matter how many times you do it. For example, post API chirps, creating a chirp will not be idempotent. Send the same request twice, will end up with 2 chirps with the same information but different IDs. Yeah, because each chirp has generated ID, right? Webhooks, on the other hand, should be idempotent and still be easy to build them this way because the client sends some kind of event and user provides their own unique ID. Alright, so it should basically just come back with the same response every single time you send it. Alright, makes sense. Richard wrote out a new feature called Chirpy Red. It's a membership program. Members of Chirpy Red get pretty incredible features like the ability to edit chirps that are posting them. So it was like Twitter Premium or something. Chirpy uses Polka as its payment provider. Send us webhooks whenever a user subscribes to Chirpy Red. We need to mark users as Chirpy Red members when we receive these webhooks. Okay. Seems not terribly complicated, I guess. Add a migration to users table to include a new column. All right. When they have gotta worry less about the quality of my videos. Sometimes I think I don't want to post it at night because I'm tired or something, or the length of the video. I don't think it really matters, in my opinion. Like, I'm not really doing this for views. I'm doing this to stay consistent. This is called Chirpy Red. So yeah, posting a short or not that great video to keep the streak going is better in my opinion. So we need to alter a table. Well, users, I think it's add column. Should be a Boolean. Should default to false. You can add default on the SEO column, right? And then column SQL. Yeah. So it should be able to say default to false. I think that's how that would work. Do I need to include down migration here? Because when we do it down here, we're already dropping the entire table. I think that's fine, right? I guess we can try and run it and see what happens. I got change directory. Yeah, it looks like it worked. I'm gonna check the database and see. Oh yeah, there it is. It is chirpy red. Database query that upgrades a user to a chirpy red based on their ID. Chirpy red, execute. Date users. Set is chirpy red true, where ID is equal to $1. It's probably better underneath this. Control C, generate. There we go, it works, no errors. Add a post API Polka webhooks endpoint. Accept a request of this shape. And my code looks terrible. Post slash API polka slash webhooks. This handler upgrade. Yeah, I guess I should create a new file. Handler underscore users underscore upgrade. Go. Package main. God. Okay. Parameters struct. Need an event. It's a string. Event. Then we need a data, which itself is a struct. How do we do this again? I think you're supposed to honestly just create another struct. That's a terrible name, but I don't really think of anything better. User ID, string, JSON, user underscore ID. And just set this to be a data struct. JSON tag of data. Right? I think so. What do you mean bad syntax? Oh, I forgot the quote. Okay, so then we need to create a decoder. New decoder. Decoder.decode into params is equal to a parameter struct, right? So it returns an error. And now we have to do our whole error is equal to nil again. Just so fantastic. Fail to decode parameters. Yeah, if the event is anything other than user.upgraded. If params dot event is not equal to user.upgraded, point should immediately respond with 204 status code. I don't even remember these status codes, man, so I have to keep looking them up. No content. No content. Oh no, respond, not with an error. Isn't that it? What? You mean undefined? Oh. Okay. Can I just create an empty struct or something? Can I do that? Okay, what is this? What is this supposed to return if it actually works? Well, I guess you can just do w.write header no content, then just return, right? I think that works. The event is user upgraded. Should update the user in the database. And it's now need the context. And params dot data dot user ID. Huh? What do you mean? Oh. Am I just gonna have to run a query to get the actual ID from the database? Or should I just do UUID dot parse? I think that's a better idea. Respond with error. It's not equal to nil. Another respond with error. The user updated successfully. Endpoint should respond 204. Empty response body. I mean, this is how we've been doing it so far. I probably need to look at their solution when I'm done with this, because I don't think this is how I should be doing. I probably should be using the helper function. I still know how to pass an empty interface, I guess. Yeah. Wait, you just type in interface? Does that work? Oh, this is just how to find empty. Well. Wait, can I just say nil? Oh, I think it's how you're supposed to do it. Because the interface apparently can be anything. Yeah, you can assign anything to it. So I guess assigning nothing would be nil. I'll look at their solution after this. Show the 404. Oh, the upgrade fails. We should do. Oh man, I know what 404 is. Come on, man. Not found yet. Okay. I think that's what I was thinking of, but wasn't sure. Pogo uses the response code to know whether or not the web code receives successfully. Web code. The response code is anything other than 2xx. They'll retry the request. Okay, update all endpoints that return users resources to include the is-trippy red field. Oh. Yeah. So where's this defined again? is chirpy red. Is underscore chirpy underscore red. So now we basically find anywhere where users defined and oh, there we go. So let's just search throughout here and see if we can find other ones of this. Okay, there we go. We're working on this, so this should work. It should work. Let's try it. Start the server. Expecting 200 is chirpy red to be true. That is correct. 204, nothing to response body. 4, nothing to response body. Two one. Expecting is chirpy red be equal to false. That's true. Email to Walt at Breaking Bad is Walt. 200. Looks like it's correct. There we go. Let's go. That wasn't that bad. I do want to see how they use the helper function with the empty interface. Oh no, they just do this. Okay, so they're specifically checking the error upgrade to chirpy red. Wait, oh. Looks like they're also, yeah, they're returning all. Oh, and they're also, yeah, I remember to do this. Okay, let's make some changes here. Yeah, we have to set the update at time. Equal to now. And then they also seem to do this every single time they do update, they just return everything. So I probably should keep this in mind when doing this in the future. It's probably useful to return. Not sure where OA came from, like it's literally whatever. Okay, so yeah, now we're gonna get a response back. Now they didn't use the response. It just checked if the error came back as no rows. This is probably something I need to take into account in the future, because I assume that you would have to do this in other cases too. Check the type of error returned. They're using the errors package, and this is method. Check the error that was given against a certain target error. Interesting. Couldn't find user. Turned in here, they do a internal failed upgrade. Okay, I think that makes sense. Then here, instead of this, do the w.write header. So yeah, I guess they don't use the helper function there. Though you can, apparently. You just pass a nil, so probably doesn't matter too much. Let me run this again. Oh, damn it. I guess it's not session. There we go. All right. This is a pretty long video. Yeah, 32 minutes. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Try and post a video every day. Some of them might be shorter, some of them longer. But yeah, keep grinding, keep going. Consistency is the only thing that matters at the end of the day. So never give up. See you on the next one.